Hey everyone, welcome back to Rare Tutor, your go-to channel for exploring the coolest AI tools on the internet. Today, we're checking out something really unique in AI tool that helps artists and creators keep their characters looking consistent across different images. It's called CharaConsist, and you can try it right now at the link in the description. So, here's the problem CharaConsist is trying to solve. If you ever used AI image generators like Stable Diffusion or DALL-E to create character art, you know that getting the same character to look consistent in every picture can be, well, nearly impossible. Different angles, different outfits, even the same prompt, and somehow your character ends up looking like a distant cousin. CharaConsist tackles this with a clever workflow. You upload reference images of your character, fine-tune settings, and it uses an AI-assisted pipeline to preserve those key features like face shape, hairstyle, and clothing details across multiple renders. As you can see here, the results are surprisingly consistent, whether you want your character in a new pose, a different background, or even a totally new scene. CharaConsist works to keep their identity intact. Pros: it's free to try, super intuitive, and perfect for artists, game devs, or storytellers. Cons: it's still experimental, so expect some occasional mismatches. And it works best when you give it clear, high-quality references. So, if character consistency has been your biggest headache with AI, or CharaConsist might just be your new favorite tool. Check it out at the link below, and let me know in the comments what you'd use it for. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because here at Rare Tutor, we made AI learning more fun.